guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen. For today's video, I'm going to be telling you what I do to take care of my acne scars. I get this asked all the time, how to take care of your skin when you are breaking out, and acne scars के लिए basically क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि texture, acne scars, pores, everything is super normal. Everyone has it. We are going to embrace our skin and we're going to take a lot of care of our skin. So I'm going to be giving you a few tips and tricks here and there that you can include in your routine to take care of your acne scars in particular. May that be related to how can you take care of it if you're very like conscious and आपको makeup करना है, and how to actually like hide it nicely, or what product can you include जिसकी वजह से आपका scars जल्दी recover होगा. So this video is going to be all about that. If you are someone that is interested to see what tips and tricks do I have to give, then definitely keep on watching. This is how my skin is looking. We have like a lot of texture. We have a lot of like, you can see there's a lot of darkness here. Just like zoom you in so you kind of get an idea about how my skin is looking. So you can see this is how my skin looks in reality. This is how my mouth looks. यहाँ पे भी pigmentation है, मतलब मुझे dark बहुत easily आ जाते हैं, and I have been, you can see, देखो ये सब इतने सारे scars है. So it's like a very acne scarred kind of a situation, and I deal with it every day. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how I do the best I can to take care of this. So if you are someone that is interested, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if this is the first time that you're seeing me, I'm Prableen, also known as PKB. I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. We're all about no filter with PKB. That's my hashtag. We talk about embracing our skin, everything related to body, skin positivity. So take a moment, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I come online you get notified. And also follow me on my Instagram. We recently crossed 150k, and it's only gonna get better, and we're only gonna grow our family. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to zoom you in so you kind of get an idea about how my skin is looking at the moment. So the number one tip that I can ever give you is to really take care of your skin and use the right skincare. So using the perfect skincare for your skin will make everything so much better. Now, one ingredient that I will highly recommend to include in your skincare routine is niacinamide, because if you have acne scars, niacinamide serum is one product that will make the acne scars go away. It helps to take care of the broken skin cells. It helps to build the keratin in your skin so that your skin is firm and healthy and in a very good condition. List a few things that I know that really help you when you are using a niacinamide serum. So it minimizes your pores and your wrinkles. It helps reduce fine lines. It helps reduce the pigmentation and hyperpigmentation wherever you have. It protects your skin from sun damage. It also regulates the oil production on your skin, and most important thing is that it reduces the redness and the inflammation on your skin. It works as an anti-inflammatory. The niacinamide serum that I use on an everyday basis is this. It's the 15% niacinamide serum from the Derma Co. It has a niacinamide zinc. You can use it in the morning and at night. I'm just zooming you in so you kind of see the consistency of this product. It is so lightweight, non-sticky, and feels super hydrating on the skin. You always want to make sure that you take it down to your neck. This is literally the one-stop solution if you want to get rid of your acne marks, because niacinamide works the best when you have to take care of your acne scars and marks. The Derma Co is the first ever brand in India to launch a 15% niacinamide serum, like a 15% concentration niacinamide serum, which is super effective, and that helps you even out your skin tone, even out your skin texture, and also take care of your acne marks and scars. I absolutely love this product. If you are someone that is troubled with acne scars and very stubborn acne marks and scars, you have to include this in your skincare routine. It's a must have. Tip number 2. Always make sure to wear sunscreen at all times in the day. Even if it's in the morning, even if you are at home, even if you're going out, make sure to always pair your entire skincare up with a sunscreen. Reapplying sunscreen every 3 to 5 hours is essential, especially whenever you're using any sort of serum on your skin, any sort of AHAs or BHAs or any sort of acids, because it needs that kind of protection. Otherwise it will hamper your skin. You don't want that. Make sure that you include a sunscreen. I really like this one from Dermaco. It's the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and it's fragrance free. It has SPF 50 PA+++. It's 50 grams of product, very travel friendly. Really like it. I'm taking 2 pumps of this and applying it on my skin. It's very lightweight, does not leave a white cast. Now you're ready to take on the day, because sunscreen is a must-have. Tip number 3. Always make sure to not overdo your makeup, and make sure that your acne scars are the main places that you want to focus on whenever you want to hide your scars. Because in Mumbai especially, or in India, it's so humid. You want to make sure that your makeup is not too cakey, because then it will rip your makeup off. You don't want to do that. And one amazing technique that I have recently come across is to mix a color corrector along with your concealer. Now I know it sounds weird, but it does a fab job. It does literally such a good job on your skin, and it makes your skin look flawless. Now I have this product. Now it's an orange color corrector. So we're going to take like a little bit of this on the back of my hand. And I'm taking the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. This is exactly my shade, so I'm not overdoing it with the concealer. I'm just taking one concealer. So I'm going to put this on top of this. Now all you have to do is mix these two. It might look a little orangey, but that's fine, because you can always put a little bit of foundation and make it work. Now I'm taking it on a brush. Make sure that you don't take it on a beauty blender, because the application is better if you're doing spot correcting on your acne marks. Okay, so this is the first area I want to focus on. So I'm just going to take this and just press it here. Let me zoom you in. We are just dabbing this here. You can see the scar is absolutely gone. It's not visible. See this side and then see this side. This entire portion is covered. Now what we're going to do is take the same thing. You can see my skin is looking flawless with literally nothing being visible from the camera. It's completely plain. It looks like there's literally no scars at all. And this is what I do when I want to look really, you know, flawless, and I don't want my acne scars to be visible. This is the kind of makeup look that I go for. Once you're done with all of this, always lock your makeup in with a setting spray and a little bit of loose powder, and you are good to go. This is the final look that I came up with. You can see my makeup looks so flawless and nice. I am really happy with the way it turned out. Do check out the link in the description for the Dermaco products. You can get your hands on the Dermaco products by using my code BHAMRA20 and you will avail a discount. So check the link in the description and get your hands on these products, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.